So these are all the skincare ranges of WB by Hemani, and let me remind you that they are all 100% vegan, which means they are all chemical free. और आप कोई भी range choose कर सकते हैं based on your skin type and the requirements you have and what you want to achieve from these products. Hi everyone, I am Priya Jethani, as you all know. And today I am here to talk about something very important, which is very important for me and I'm sure for all of you as well, and that is skincare. Now this is something sometimes we tend to ignore, लेकिन मेरी life में एक बहुत ही ज़रूरी चीज़ है to follow a skincare routine considering my shoots and events that take place on a daily basis, and इस वजह से मेरे face पर काफ़ी ज़्यादा makeup लगता है. So I always want to make sure that my skin is always radiant looking and bright and does not age too quickly. Right? So today I'm going to be taking you through some skincare products. Now I have different ranges of skincare products here, and ये सब हैं WB by Hemani brand के, जो बहुत ही popular brand है. So the first range that I'm talking about is the 24 karat gold flakes range, which is right here with me. सबसे पहले मेरे पास है उनका face serum. Now this is a real gold 24 karat flakes face serum, जिसके अंदर rosehip oil, prickly pear और ऐसे essential ingredients हैं which leave your skin bright and radiant looking, and they remove the fine lines and spots from your skin, and this is a very important step in our skincare routine. So you must apply a face serum, and something which is like this you definitely must use. The next product that we have here is the whitening lotion, which is again part of the same range. So it's got real gold flakes, 24 karat gold flakes, and it comes with sun protection, which is great. It can be part of your day skincare routine where you don't have to separately apply a sunscreen or a sun protection cream. So this is great for that, and it gives you best results जब आप इसे face serum के साथ use करते हैं. And the third one we have is the face cream, जो हम of course daily basis पे use करते ही हैं अपनी skin पर. Now this one again gives you the best results when it's applied after the face serum, and this one again includes all the essential ingredients, rosehip oil, prickly pear. जब आप इसे अपनी skin पर लगाएंगे, you will actually feel good, and when you apply it and actually go to sleep, that's when it does its work on your skin. So after the 24 karat gold flakes range, I have something that is called the oil control range. The key idea of this range is to balance and to remove all the oil and dirt from your face and to detoxify and hydrate your skin. So इसमें आपके पास आ जाता है micellar cleansing water, which you can use to remove your makeup. There is also cleansing foam, as you can see here. There is also a facial scrub, and one very interesting product that they have here is the oil control cleansing cream and face mask. Now this is a 2-in-1 product, and I'm very excited to try this because ये सिर्फ एक cream नहीं है, ये एक mask भी है जो आप अपने face पर apply कर सकते हैं. You can leave it on for 15 minutes and then wash it off, and it'll remove all the dirt and oil from your skin and leave your skin feeling moisturized and hydrated. And finally, there's one more interesting product, which is a face mist. Now this is a product just trending in the market these days. People love using face mist, not just because it makes you feel very fresh on the face. You apply it as and when you want it and suddenly you just feel fresh. And of course because of the lovely scent that they give out, and of course because it's part of this range, it will remove the dirt and oil from your face when you are having a busy day and you really don't have the time to actually take off your makeup and do touch up and put it back again. एक face mist spray कर दो and काम हो गया. So after the oil control range, I'm going to show you serums. Now yes, this is not just one serum, these are actually two serums, one meant for the day and one meant for the night. So they've got something that's called the daytime recovery serum, which is a lightweight day serum that you can apply on your skin and as part of your day skincare routine. And इसमें काफ़ी ज़्यादा चीज़ें हैं जो आपके skin को repair करती हैं in the day. Now this one includes a grapeseed oil that tightens pores and it moisturizes the skin. And it also includes tamanu oil, which nourishes, firms and soothes skin. It also includes ginger oil, जो आपके acne और scars को निकालता है and adds a natural glow to the skin. And then we have the night recovery serum. Now in the night, generally when you sleep is the time when your skin actually repairs, reconstructs, and in the morning, it refreshes, recharges itself. And that time it's best to use a product like this. So it includes a rosehip oil that hydrates, boosts collagen formation and reduces fine lines and wrinkles. It also includes lavender oil that heals, soothes and helps lighten the skin. Also it includes evening primrose oil जो acne reduce करता है, radiance boost करता है और आपकी skin health को enhance करता है in the night while you sleep. एंड फाइनली बात करते हैं WB by हिमानी की रिसेंटली लॉन्च रेंज जो कि है पोरफाइनर रेंज के बारे में. एंड एज द नेम सेज, दिस रेंज हेल्प्स टू मिनिमाइज एंड टाइटन द पोर्स ऑन योर स्किन सो दैट आपकी स्किन लगे यंगर लुकिंग एंड मोर रेडिएंट. सो इस रेंज के अंदर वो सारे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जो कि आप एक स्किन केयर रूटीन, एक स्किन केयर रिजीम फॉर्म करने के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं. स्टार्टिंग विथ अ क्लेंजिंग फोम विच इज़ राइट हियर, जो आप फेस वॉश कर सकते हैं जिसके साथ. And the main ingredients of these products is willow herb and tea tree solution that actually help to minimize your pores. और toner apply करने के बाद आप apply कर सकते हैं Porefiner serum और उसके साथ ही आप apply कर सकते हैं Porefiner का face cream. So these are all the skincare ranges of WB by Hemani, and let me remind you that they are all 100% vegan, which means they are all chemical free. और आप कोई भी range choose कर सकते हैं based on your skin type and the requirements you have and what you want to achieve from these products.